Welcome back! I'm back! Wash your hands. Okay, Mom. I have to wash my hands. Koya! Yes? We have vanilla and strawberry. Which one do you like? What? What is it? I'm coming! What? What is it? Wow! Ooh. Which one should I choose? Which one? Oh, this one? No, this one. Which one should I choose? Which one? Hey, Koya! We have this one too. Wow! Wow! I love this one! Dinosaur's fossil chocolate! Wow! Hey, Koya! I'm going shopping. Yup. So stay at home, okay? Okay. See you. See you. Let's open it. Ooh, that was close. Good job! Almost done! Let's do it! Uh-oh! The white part! Oh! Look! It's white! Maybe here! Oh my gosh! Oh! I broke a little bit. Oh! Alright, next time! Please don't break! Oh, that was close! Look, so close! I did it? I did it! Hey, I did it! Click, clock, click, clock. The leg part is a little bit difficult. I'm scared. I can't do it. Wow! Let's eat! I ate his face! It's cold! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The water! What should I do? Oh no! I will get wet! Oh! A chair! Oh, what should I do? What? Wow! I found a great item! Come here! Oh, that was close! Hurry up! Water! I have to be careful! That was close! What's happening now? Where did this water come from? Oh! I forgot to turn off the water when I wash my hands! I have to turn off the water! Oh! It's a bit far. I'm tired. Oh, 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 oh. I'm tired. But I have to go. Oh, oh, oh so far. Oh, oh. I'm sleepy. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, my motorbike is washing away. Oh, oh. I have to turn off the water quickly. Why? What? Ouch. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah? What happened? I forgot to turn off the water. I'm sorry. So we have to turn off the water quickly. You're right. As I thought, I forgot to turn off the water. Oh, what a relief. I turned off the water.
My dumplings haven't come yet. Dumplings, dumplings, oh dumplings, dumplings, dumplings. Out of stock. May I help you? Follow me. Here. Thank you very much. Do you know what you want? How about ramen noodles? I want ramen and dumplings. Sure. I'm gonna make ramen. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, right. Okay. I finished. Ramen is ready. Food is ready. This is your ramen. Go ahead. Wow, looks delicious.
いただきます。
Yummy. My dumplings haven't come yet. Dumplings, 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 dumplings. Oh, dumplings, dumplings. The dumplings, 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 dumplings. Well, freeze. Let me see. Dumplings, 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 dumplings. Oh, dumplings. Where? The dumplings are out of stock. Whew, it was really good.
ごちそうさま。
My order hasn't come yet. Excuse me, my dumplings haven't come yet. Oh, the dumplings. Yeah, sure. Well, I'm making it right now. I am making the dumplings. The dumplings. 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 Here it is. What's wrong? Nothing happening. Please don't look at me. Everything is okay. It's perfect. Well, this is strange restaurant. It tastes good though. I am making dumplings. Here is your dumplings. Wow, finally looks delicious.
いただきます。
It's so juicy. Yes. What a relief. I'm so tired.
ごちそうさまでした。
Sure. Ramen cost 600 yen. Dumplings 400 yen. Total is 1,000 yen. Here you go. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming. Thank you very much. Thanks. Thank you very much. Give me some. No. Please. I'm gonna have to change this chocolate. Koya? What? What's happening? It hurts. It hurts. No, it hurts. It hurts. Are you okay? No, it hurts. It hurts. Oh, I can't help. Oh, my ear.
もうこれはダメだ。
Oh, it hurts. Please come here. What? It hurts. Wait, it hurts. Wait. Oh, it hurts. No, it hurts. What should I do? Oh, I have It hurts. Ah, didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna use this. It hurts. There is something that I can help him. I came up with a great idea. What? It hurts. It hurts.
痛い痛い痛い
This is working.
痛い痛い痛い痛い痛い痛い痛い
Well done. I think it's gonna work. I took it.
もう
What a relief. Be careful.
は
Take care. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you for calling a doctor. Which one you want?
ね
Red one. Then here you go. Thanks. Nemi and me. That shark! The shark is gonna eat the frog! Oh! Koya! Koya, wake up! I'll be right there. Wakey, wakey. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Go ahead. Again. Hey, Mom. I want to eat something different. What are you talking about? Eat up, eat up. I want to eat different things. Let me see. There it is. I'm gonna get fish for breakfast. I can do it. Oh. Can I get it? Oh no. Oh, can I get it? How can I? It's a frog. I can't get anything. I can't. That's shark. The shark is gonna eat the frog. Oh! Oh my! Is there? Well, is there anything else I can do? I'm going to help! Go! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hey! I saved her!